Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you are getting this. There was a problem with the server 400 error on the YouTube app on your Android phone or tablet. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now in this menu scroll down and find Google Play services. Once you find it, tap on it. Now in this menu scroll down and tap on storage. Now here tap on this clear cache option. Now tap on this clear data option. Now here you will need to select this clear all data option. Once you have done that, long press on the YouTube app icon. Now tap this info icon here. Now scroll all the way down and tap on storage. Now tap this clear cache option. Now tap this clear data option and hit delete. Once you have done this, simply open the YouTube app on the Play Store and make sure it is updated to the latest version. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them. Now if the YouTube app still doesn't work, open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on general management. Now in this menu tap on date and time. Now make sure the automatic date and time option is enabled. If it's not, make sure to enable it. Now restart your Android phone and the YouTube app should start working. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.